gonna try one more fall ride here. You're standing still in the sun today, it's really warm. Hopefully that carries over when you're cruising along on the bike. Try one more trip into Nova Scotia. All set. Lots of guys dropping bikes and heading into the woods there. Great time of year for that. Looks like the big windstorm we got knocked most of the leaves off, but there's still some color there. Oh, look at that, it's a gear indicator fault kind of day too. Nothing like a nice turn full of cow shit. Oh man, literally full of cow shit. Nice. That would be fun today too. Smells like someone was getting the last cut of their lawn in for the year. Now it smells like those guys. One of the reasons I really love this road is because you barely ever see traffic in it. But what do you know? Coming into the big town of Spring Hill. See, I'm allowed to make jokes like that because I come from a town with about 300 people in it. These days, 300 sounds kind of high, actually. I think we'll stop up here for a quick battery swap. I'm gonna stop for a quick battery change. as soon as I seen that car, he was cruising along doing the speed limit.
Yeah.
And then as soon as he seen us, he started doing like 120, 130. I was like, well, perfect. Someone to block for more cops.
Yeah.
Now that we need to find something within Amherst, I'm definitely going to take up the back. I'll follow. So it's terrible how many times I've been through Amherst and still have a hard time finding things here. Well, I think we're just going to make a quick stop, and then it's going to be a straight highway trip home just to try and beat the cold air. So, as usual, if you're stuck around this long, might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Ring the notification bell and all that good stuff. We'll try to get home while it's still warm, and you can come back and check out the next one.